अस्सलाम वालेकुम बच्चे, कैसे हैं? माशाल्लाह सब ठीक ठाक हैं। अच्छा बच्चों, ऐसे है कि हमारा लेक्चर चल रहा है, टॉपिक चल रहा है हमारा डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन, टाइप्स ऑफ डेसिमल फ्रैक्शंस। तो बच्चों, उसके आज हम टाइप्स डिस्कस करेंगे। जो बच्चे नए हैं चैनल पर, दोस्त से बाप, वो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, साथ में बेल आइकन होगा उसको प्रेस कर लें, ताकि मेरी सब आने वाली वीडियोस आपको बर वक्त मिल सकें। जी गाइस, ऐसे है जी डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन। The fraction in which the decimal point is included is said to be decimal fraction, like 3.45. Now here is decimal point after 3, so this fraction is said to be decimal fraction. Now we shall discuss its types. In its types, terminating decimal fraction and non-terminating decimal fraction are included. Terminating decimal fraction and non-terminating decimal fraction. Terminating, what's mean of terminating? The terminating mean is limited, finite. For example, 9/4. If I divide 9 by 4, 4 twos are 8, 1.0, 4 twos are 8, 20, 4 fives are 20. The answer is 2.25. The answer has ended at 2.25. There is no further decimals. There are no further decimals, so we can say that it is terminating decimal fraction. Its definition is the decimal fraction in which the number of digits towards the right side of decimal point are limited, are finite. The numbers after the decimal point after the decimal point are the numbers on the right side of decimal point. This is said to be decimal point. This is said to be decimal point. The numbers after the decimal point are limited, 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 are finite, finite, are finite, are said to be terminating decimal fractions. Now we discuss non-terminating. what we are discussing? We are discussing non-terminating decimal fraction. Beta, you can see that the terminating decimal fraction, the definition is the number after the decimal point are limited. So in non-terminating, we can say the numbers after the decimal point are unlimited, la mahdud, are infinite, these are called non-terminating decimal fractions. Here are two types of non-terminating. Number one, repeated. Number two, non-repeated or non-repeating. You can understand repeated or repeating mean the number will repeat again and again, the number will come again and again. Non-repeating means the number will not come again and again, it will come one times. Now repeated means, for example, 1 by 9, 1 divided by 9, G 0.0, 9 ones are 9, 1 0, 9 ones are 9, 1 0, 9 ones are 9 1. You can see the answer is 0.111. It is being continued. So we may take dots, we make dots in at the right hand side of the answer. Now these dots are showing that this is non-terminating. This is non-terminating. The number of digits at the right hand side of the decimal point are unlimited. Now we see the example of non-repeating. Non-repeating means the number will not come again and again. For this we see the example 9 by 7, 9 divided by 7, 7 ones are 7, 2.0, 7 twos are 14, 6 0, 7 eights are 56, 4 0, 7 fives are 35. I think the answer is not coming, the remainder is continuing, so we mention dots at the right hand side of the decimal. Now also we can see that no one number is repeating, no one number is repeating, so we can say it non-repeating. I think you have learnt. If you have any question, then you can ask me at comments. If you like this video, please thumb up and please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.